Hey YouTube, this is the Talented Kid Cord reporting from the iPad. My iPhone had a problem with it. I'll make a video about that later. But anyway, this is a really big snowstorm. The biggest one that we've ever had in 22 years. As you can see, we got a really big snow. We have like several inches of it. Our patio is pretty much covered with tons and tons and tons of snow. If you walk in it, you're going to have a complete struggle with it. So I'm just giving you a heads up about that. Sadly, I can't walk in the snow right now because I'm not wearing shoes, just my socks and pajamas and a red t-shirt. Anyway, we have melting icicles up here that are dripping water. There's some icicles up here. And icicles everywhere. I don't know if you can see that, but those are the icicles. You can clearly tell that it is snowing. And I don't know whether to do some kind of snow challenge video, but if I decide to, possibly tomorrow or Monday, I don't think we're going to have school on Monday, and I'll do that. Anyway, this is a really big snowstorm in Morgantown, West Virginia. It's severe. Temperature right now is about 25, 30 degrees. I don't know, somewhere in between there. Possibly in the low 10s. I have no idea. But anyway, that's all for this video. We'll see you later. Goodbye.